Schindler's 3300s. 3300. Scope 6. The fire alarm's having some issues. Wow, Schindler's 3300. Wow, this is awesome. Wow. This is my third 3300. These are Schindler 3300.
It's kind of dim in here.
The light's out. Here's our level 6. We're not getting a view since it's pitch black. To ring the bell, you have to...
We going down this one or expression?
Awesome! Wow, this is awesome. Schindler 3300 in the parking garage. This is amazing. FIGL 100. Hands-free ADA code compliant phone. Who knows where the certificate's located? I'd probably say these were installed in 2015 since these have the older chimes. The fire alarm's having some trouble here. We set this one up to 3, then after that we'll get the other one. Now I'll go on the other one. Perfect, this one's right here. Got this one. These are some of the best parking garages in Southside. Some of the best elevators. Car number 2. Here we go. The arrow. Very stylish handrails. Now focused. This is not a common find. 3300 in the parking garage. Runs better than number 1. The constant creaking. Red floors. Don't get off here yet.
Are we going back now?
Yes.
Okay. Come on in.
Hit down to 1. This is awesome. Sensors. Same as the other one. Same as the other one. This is the elevator at the open Hearth garage in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Here at 1. We're going to watch the doors closing. There it goes, and